Hey there. Congratulations. You got your real estate license. Now what? You have to pick a brokerage. Myself, I've been a real estate agent since 2014, and I personally chose to go with Keller Williams. Been there ever since, had tons of opportunities to go other places, but I'm going to give you my reasons why maybe Keller Williams is the best place to start your real estate journey and maybe end it as well. So today I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons. Now, if you're considering where to plant your flag, here's what I want you to understand about starting with Keller Williams, and I'm going to give it to you straight. Again, like I said, I've been with Keller Williams since 2014. So here's the top 5 reasons a new agent should start with Keller Williams. Number 1, training isn't optional. It's the model. Most companies say, go figure it out, or here's a little bouncy ball cartoon character. We don't. We've built systems like Ignite and Bold specifically for new agents, so you're not guessing your way through your first year. Real estate isn't complicated, but it is easy to do inconsistently without a model. At KW, you're handed a playbook based on what actually works, proven. Question for you. Are you the kind of person who follows a proven model, or do you tend to kind of reinvent the wheel and wing it? Number 2, you're in the business for yourself, not by yourself. This is where most new agents fail. They feel isolated. And at KW, you're plugged into a culture where top producers, team leaders, and coaches are accessible. You're not chasing success alone. You're surrounded by it. And proximity matters. So let me ask you this. When you've succeeded in the past, were you around the people operating at a high level, or were you figuring it out on your own? Number 3, lead generation is taught as a skill, not left to chance. So in the Millionaire Real Estate Agent, we're clear. Lead generation is the number 1 job, period. So at KW, you're taught exactly how to do it. Database building, sphere marketing, scripts and conversations, daily accountability. Most brokerages skip this. We don't. Here's a real question. How comfortable are you having 10 to 20 conversations a day with people about real estate? Because your answer to that determines your income. Number 4, a real path to wealth, not just transactions. Okay. Most companies focus on commissions. We focus on wealth building, profit share, team building opportunities, systems that scale beyond you. You're not just selling houses, you're building an asset. So let me challenge you. Are you looking to earn an income or build something that eventually turns and runs without you? A legacy business. Number 5, clarity through models and focus, the one thing principle. New agents fail because they try to do everything. Social media, open houses, cold calls, branding, CRM, ads, and they do all of it poorly. We teach focus. That's the one thing you should be doing today that makes everything else easier or unnecessary. So at KW, we narrow your focus to what actually drives results, primarily lead generation and follow-up. So let me turn it back to you for a second. What does a perfect workday look like for you? Structured and scheduled, or flexible and reactive? How do you handle rejection? Because this business will test that daily, I promise. If I give you a schedule that requires 3 hours of lead generation every morning, could you stick to it for 90 days? Here's the truth. You don't need Keller Williams to succeed. But if you're coachable, willing to follow a model, committed to doing the real work, not just the fun stuff, then KW gives you an unfair advantage. Final thoughts from me. This business isn't about talent. It's about consistency. And the environment you choose will either support that or quietly work against you. So if you want, I can flip this and evaluate you by just having a conversation to see if KW is the right fit for you. I hope you're having a great day. Be safe. Take care. Remember, your business will fail without this 4-step plan. I don't care what brand you're with. I hope you have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Sell a bunch.